Dear friends, Vizhinjam International Seaport, Thiruvananthapuram, is also known as Trivandrum Port. It is India's first deep water transshipment port, located in the city of Thiruvananthapuram. The Trivandrum port is designed to be a multi-purpose, all-weather green port located around 20 kilometers, 12 miles away from the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. It is India's first automated port and also the first deep water container transshipment port. It holds a unique position as the only Indian port directly adjacent to an international shipping line. It lies just 10 nautical miles, 19 kilometers, 12 miles from the heavily trafficked east-west shipping channel connecting Europe to the Persian Gulf, Southeast Asia and the Far East, Suez Far East route and Far East Middle East route. The port has a natural depth of 24 meters, which reduces the need for dredging and possesses the capability to host many of the world's massive cargo ships, including those exceeding 24,000 TEU, such as vessels of the ULCS container ships. Port was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2nd May 2025. The breakwater of this port is the deepest in India, reaching a depth of 28 meters, roughly equal to the height of a 9-story building. The largest vessel arrived at Trivandrum port is MSC Turkey. (399.99 meters long and 61.3 meters wide, with a capacity of 24,346 TEUs and the highest TEU movement on a single vessel was recorded at 10,576 TEUs on MSC Paloma. The cruise berth under construction along the breakwater will be able to handle cruise ships. When fully commissioned, it is expected that the seaport may have the capacity to cater to 50% of the container transshipment needs of India that currently take place at Dubai, Colombo and Singapore. The first phase of the project amounts to rupees 8,867 crore, 1.0 billion US dollar, or 930 million Chinese yuan, and the remaining phase cost rupees 20,000 crore, 2.4 billion US dollar, or 2.1 billion Chinese yuan, making the total cost rupees 28,867 crore, 3.4 billion US dollar, or 3.0 billion Chinese yuan. The port's location near the southern tip of the Indian coastline provides access to various other Indian ports on both eastern and western coasts. The port's breakwater has a height of 7.5 meters above the waterline and extends 22 meters below. The current length of the breakwater is 3.1 kilometers and will be extended to 4.5 kilometers in the final phase. The STS superposed Panamax crane has specifications that include an outreach of 72 meters, a back reach of 20 meters, a rail gauge of 35 meters, and a total lifting height of 74 meters. This is the tallest STS crane in India. A railway connection is planned for Vizhinjam Seaport, which will include the construction of what is projected to be the third longest tunnel in India. This development aims to enhance the port's connectivity with the national railway network. Facilitating efficient cargo transportation. It is a state-owned port owned by the government of Kerala and will be operated by the Adani Group for a period of 40 years. Vizhinjam International Seaport is expected to have an impact on existing cargo movement to other ports and will cater to transshipment. The majority of our containers originating from or destined for India are typically transshipped or subjected to double handling at international ports such as Colombo in Sri Lanka, Salalah in Oman, Port of Jebel Ali in Dubai, and Singapore Port. Vizhinjam Seaport will primarily engage in competing with these international ports for container transshipment activities. The development of the port will be carried out in 3 phases, and the first phase is expected to get completed by September 2024. It is proposed to follow the landlord port model with the intention of catering for passenger, container, and other cargo shipping. Vizhinjam Port and Vizhinjam International Seaport, Thiruvananthapuram, are two distinct facilities in Thiruvananthapuram. Vizhinjam Seaport is managed by the Kerala Maritime Board and primarily supports maritime activities. Vizhinjam Seaport is located inside Vizhinjam Harbour. The port features two berths, namely seaward and leeward. Vizhinjam International Seaport, Thiruvananthapuram, managed by Vizhinjam International Seaport Limited (VISL), is designed for handling large container ships. And supporting international trade. To avoid confusion between the two ports, the new port is often referred to as Thiruvananthapuram Port, from Thiruvananthapuram in the port name and based on the UN Yellow Code of the port, which is INTRV, where TRV stands for Thiruvananthapuram and 1 indicates the port. Therefore, it is called Thiruvananthapuram Port as per United Nations Code for Trade and Transport Locations. Although these ports are close to each other, they serve different functions and are managed by different authorities under Kerala government. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.